Hello to the wonderful people around the world. Yes, the picture is back in the background. It is a beautiful day. It has been a while since I've been doing a vlog. Some days I have my up days, sometimes I have my down days, but nobody's perfect. So, yeah, beautiful day outside today. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? Because I don't care. So, not only the Honda getting parts. Oh, excuse me. Not only the Honda's getting parts, the Subaru is getting parts. Honda, Subaru, they're cousins. Don't ask me why. It's hot. It's a little steamy outside, but I'll take this over being cold and bitter. So, what should we start with? Let's start with the Honda first. We got the Honda. So, I've been getting parts like crazy. Not getting parts, but ordering parts like crazy. Why? Because they need to be replaced. That's why. Uh, I end up getting a new power steering. Uh, replace the power system. Power steering is getting replaced. What else is getting replaced? Oh yes, I think I mentioned it before, but I'm mentioning it again. Replaced the water pump. That was fun to do because I thought it was hard, but kind of find out it wasn't that hard to do. Just took my time in doing it. But this is where we at so far. I need a get a AC unit for my car. That's the only thing I'm missing out of that. Because the other one is no good. Any this car, like I said before, this car has been sitting for years and years and years. So of course, we have a vehicle that's sitting for years and years. You have to replace parts. If it works, it works. If it don't, just replace them. Because if you replace them, you ain't gotta worry about fixing it down the line. So that's where I'm at with this vehicle. If it could talk, it will say thank you. Now, back to this bad boy. So, Subaru with the chick in the back. The Subaru runs good, got a problem. Um, last month, I don't know, month's been going by quick than I thought. So last month, yes, I would say last month. Last month, I end up had to. Where can you see it? Maybe you can see it. Stabilize the bar. I like the sound, but not like too much brightness. Fix there. So change that out, no problem. Come to find out, I need a stabilizer bar. I mean a lower control arm, front lower control arm. Now I'm 1.2, and I've been having a problem. There's a bolt that is here. The sun is wonderful, but it is messing up my view. So, like I was saying, it has kind of find out I need to order a front control arm for this vehicle, which is not bad. Here's the bad part about it. Oh shoot! I gotta check it out first before I even change this out. Um, Come to find out, the lower control inside the lower control arm, the bushes is all jacked up on both sides. So you can't just change one; you gotta change both of them. And hopefully, I can get. I'm gonna if I can't get this little bolt right here. If I can't get it off, it's getting cut off today because I need my car and I have no other vehicles, so I have no choice. And so, kind of find out that is need to, like I said, need to replace. I got to replace some bolts for those, which is fine. I don't think I'm gonna have problems with these other two. So we got these right here, and then underneath with the nut, the castle nut that's on it. So that being said, it has been wonderful. It has been real. I just want to do a quick vlog, and it's nice outside. So again, hopefully I get this thing out today. Um, what else we got going on? I am waiting for. Yeah, I think I got a couple other stuff I looking for. But yes, so that's how I'm feeling today about these vehicles. Two vehicles, one storage. Who said working on cars was easy? If you said working on cars is easy, let me know because it's fun, but it's not fun. This is it's a zip tie that's subtracting. So that being said, I appreciate you watching. Keep you updated, especially with this vehicle in the background. We getting there. It's getting there, and I'm still doing it by myself. So it is what it is. Or do what it do. Um, because nope, not going on a tangent. But again, you gotta do what you gotta do. Because if you're by yourself, you just do it by yourself. So on that point of saying that, I appreciate you guys watching. It's gonna be mini. There's gonna be more videos. So catch you guys later. Thank you for watching. Thank you thank you for subscribing and all that good stuff. Cheers.